Learn through a conversation. Matuto sa isang pag-uusap. Gusto kong matuto. I want to learn. Gusto kong magsalita ng mas maayos. I want to speak better. Kaya mong matuto. You can learn. Paano maganda matuto? What's a good way to learn? Ang isa sa pinakamagandang paraan ay mag-ulit-ulit. One of the best ways is to repeat often. Dapat ba araw-araw? Should I study every day? Oo, maganda kung araw-araw. Yes, every day would be good. Mas madalas ang ensayo, mas mabilis matuto. The more often the practice, the faster the learning. Kailangan ng pasensya. Patience is needed. Magsimula na tayo. Let us start. Saan tayo magsisimula? Where do we start? Kailangan mong makinig, magbasa, at sumubok ulitin. You need to listen, read, and try to repeat. Ito mismong mga pangungusap, these specific sentences. Oo, ito mismo ang pagsasanayan mo. Yes, you will practice these specifically. Over and over? Paulit-ulit? Oo, parami ng parami. Yes, more and more. Sige, magsimula na tayo. Okay, let's start. Anong araw ngayon? What day is it today? Ngayon ay Lunes. Today is Monday. Martes, Tuesday, Miyerkules, Wednesday, Huwebes, Thursday, Biyernes, Friday, Sabado, Saturday, Linggo, Sunday. Anong gagawin mo ngayong araw? What will you do today? Magtatrabaho ako. I will work. Ano ang trabahong gagawin mo? What work will you do? Maglilinis ako at mag-aayos ng gamit. I will clean and tidy things. Magandang trabaho yan. That is good work. Aalis ka ba ng bahay? Will you leave the house? Oo, aalis ako mamaya. Yes, I will leave later. Saan ka pupunta? Where will you go? Magpapaload ako sa tindahan. I will go to the store to buy load. Ano pa? What else? Baka magpunta ako sa bahay ng kapatid kong babae. I might go to my sister's house. At marahil bumili ako ng medyas sa mall. And I will probably go buy socks at the mall. Aling mall? Which mall? Sa bandang Mandaluyong. In the Mandaluyong area. May malaking mall doon. There is a big mall there. Oo, malaking malaki. Yes, very big. Bibili ka lang ng medyas? You'll only buy socks? Malamang ay kakain na rin ako. I'll probably eat also. Anong paborito mong pagkain? What's your favorite food? Madami, tulad ng pansit at barbecue. A lot, such as pansit and barbecue. Hindi ka manunood ng sine? You won't watch a movie? Meron bang maganda? Is there a good one? Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Kung walang maganda, uuwi na lang ako. If there's no nice one, I'll just go home. Maglalakad ka pa uwi? Will you walk home? Hindi. Sasakay ako ng bus, tapos jeep, tapos tricycle. No, I will ride a bus, then a jeep, then a tricycle. Magdala ka ng payong, baka umulan. Bring an umbrella, it might rain. Tama ka, mabuti nang nag-iingat. You're right, it's better to be careful. Panahon ng tag-ulan ngayon. It's the rainy season. Ikaw, anong gagawin mo? How about you? What will you do? Ako maglalakad ng mga dokumento. I will go see to some documents. Para saan? What for? Mag-a-apply ako ng trabaho bilang clerk. I will apply for a clerical position. Tandaan mo magpakopya ng mga dokumento. Remember to have the documents copied. Oo, salamat sa paalala. Yes, thank you for the reminder. O sige, babalik na ako sa pag-aaral ko. Okay, I'll go back to my studies now. Sige, pagbutihan mo. Okay, I hope you do well. Hanggang sa muli. Till next time. O basta, tandaan mo paulit-ulit para matuto ha. Always remember to keep repeating for faster learning. Salamat uli. Thanks again. Makiki-like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe